In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir on a Ford Escape. It is located in the engine bay area. First, you need to remove your coolant reservoir cap and extract all the fluid that's in the reservoir. Once you remove all your fluid, you need to remove your hoses. There's two hoses, one on the top, one on the bottom. It's always a good thing to put a bucket underneath the vehicle because these hoses will still have fluid in them. That hose off to the side. Put that hose off to the side. Your coolant reservoir is just resting on two brackets, so you need to pull it straight up. And out. Your coolant reservoir has two tabs here and there. There's two tabs on the vehicle, there and there. You just want to slide those down and lock it in. Now you can reinstall your bottom hose and the clamp. And now your top hose. Once you have your hoses installed, remove your cap and fill to the max line. Now install your cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.